Hi, my name is Patrick Canchaya, and I'm a full-stack developer with over 3 years experience building real-world applications, including e-commerce platforms, AI agents, and automated Telegram bots. I have a strong foundation in HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript, and I'm comfortable working with different CMS platforms. I also have a solid understanding of UX UI principles, and I enjoy designing clean, intuitive interfaces. I actually keep a portfolio of well-made UI UX design projects where I focus on creating layouts that are both visually appealing and extremely user-friendly. Beyond development, I've also built experience on the marketing and creative side. I'm familiar with SEO, Google tools, and social media management, and I can jump into graphic design or video editing whenever a project needs it. I love collaborating with creative teams and contributing ideas that enhance brand consistency and user engagement. Working across both technical and creative roles has helped me build products that look great, feel great, and work flawlessly. And with my experience in AI agents, I'm especially excited about finding ways to bring automation and intelligence into modern digital experiences. If you're looking for someone who can design, build, and deliver high-quality digital solutions end to end, I'd love to connect. Thank you for watching.